Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. Put it into a teapot, it becomes the teapot.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tasha Kush, aka Luna. This is my first YouTube channel. So I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about myself and show you how I did my makeup instead of just sitting here and just staring at the camera and talking, because I get so anxious and I stumble over my words. And that's just going to be a whole bunch of editing I'm going to have to do. And I can't just sit here and do, clicking on Snapchat and all that stuff, filming on Snapchat and do makeup at the same time. So I do feel like it's time that I let you guys into my life. I'm very private and I just feel like it's that time to let the world know who I am, like let my light shine. And hopefully I can help somebody. Help inspire someone, I'm sure everyone's going through some shit. 2020 has been kicking everyone's ass. It's been
dragging me by the hair through the mud. So
I want to share my story. Why not? And hopefully you guys can too. Hopefully this will ignite that fire within you guys and inspire you to do something. Let's do this together. This is my first time recording making a makeup tutorial, and I was like super nervous, so bear with me, you guys. Hopefully that I'm gonna get better, more comfortable doing this, editing and all that stuff too. People that do know me, that once I get comfortable with you, personality for days. So I'm so excited for y'all to
for us to connect, Oh,
I can't wait. I can't wait. Ooh. I'm not gonna be looking like this. Once I go to the next clip, don't be scared, okay? Don't be scared. It's okay. I might look a little tired, a little dead, but no, it's okay. And let me show you how I look without the Snapchat filter, okay? Okay, so this is my makeup. This is like a couple hours after I did my makeup. It's like currently 9 o'clock at night right now. I did my makeup earlier around 2 o'clock to not even go anywhere, just stay my ass at home. But this is me without the filter. I still look cute, girl. I still look cute. I've been using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, either 228 or 222 for years. I absolutely love it, and I never broke out from wearing it, so yeah. Okay, so this might be a little unsanitary. This worked for me. So I like to take this little, what is it, silicone? And I like to just slap it around, just to smear it before I go and I take a brush. The brush will absorb the product. So I take this just to spread out the product a little more, more evenly. And then I go in with the brush. Just in case there's any streaks from the brush, I go in with this sponge that I got from MAC. I just dab it just to really press it into the skin. And for my setting powder, I take my Ben Nye and Ben Nye Neutral, Ben Nye Banana and Ben Nye Neutral, and I mix it into this container, this old container that I have. Just because of my skin color, I can't use Ben Nye Banana because it's too yellow, and then the translucent is like too too white on my skin. So I mixed both of them and I get this color. Oh shit. A lot of people set their under eye like really cake-like, like they really bake their under eye. I can't do that. My skin won't tolerate that shit. Nope. Keep it light, keep it innocent, you know. I guess I'm not used to this light so bright on my skin. I'm over here sweating. Whoever invented setting powder is a genius. I was literally born with dark under eye. I remember I used to look up on YouTube like how to, you know, cover up dark under eye bags. And one of the few videos was of Kim Kardashian's makeup artist setting her makeup with, I think, Ben Nye banana powder. Good thing, because man, it's done wonders for me. Wonders. Look at me. I look awake now. I look. Okay, I need some color on my face. Hold up. We contour. I have a moon-shaped face. Let's go. Now to contour my nose. I'm working on it. I had a really bad self-esteem where I wanted surgery, like nose surgery, rhinoplasty, I think that's what it's called, when I was younger, because my mom all my life was like, oh, you need to get a nose job when you grow up because nose is flat, all this stuff. She had a nose job, so that fucked up. Would I get a nose job? Maybe. Probably not. I'll probably get like the fillers that they do nowadays. It's some type of fillers that they do right here. It's non-surgical, but I know what it is. I just can't think of it. They inject something right there and then they squeeze your nose a little bit and they kind of build a bridge. But at the same time, I love my nose. I go in with this powder. When you're at the mall and you're walking around and you happen to make eye contact with the people at the kiosks, it allows them to feel like they can approach you so that they can sell their product to you. Well, I am too nice to say no. So as soon as this lady from Mika, she pulled me in and immediately she was like, I think I know your foundation color. She tried it on me underneath my eye and immediately she was like, I knew it. I knew you were cappuccino. What is it, cappuccino? I knew you were cappuccino, and I was like, bitch, like, sold. Give me 2 of them. Give me the eyeshadow too. Give me this, give me that. I spent like $300. Like, bitch, had me fucked up, but I cannot stand the people at the kiosks. So I got this Tarte blush from Sephora for my birthday, and I've had this for at least 2 years. Still going, strong. Look at that. I've been using this, only this, for the past 2 years. Then I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. And then this summer, ooh, my lips are dry. using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I really like it. I really like the wand. I like the spoolie. Is it better than sex? At this point in my life, yes. Because I'm not having sex. I am abstinent, bitch. I am working on me right now. Especially the past 2 months, y'all. I've been going through it. I ain't got time for dick. I'm on a spiritual mission. I got things to, I have a higher calling to answer, to heed to. I have a higher purpose. In order to get there, I have to do that inner working. Oh shit. So this mascara will suffice. I'm not hating on sex at all. I'm not judging anybody either. But if that shit is toxic and if it's distracting you from answering or fulfilling your higher purpose, maybe it's time to reevaluate your life, sis. I'm just kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm kidding, like I'm not judging you, you know? Yeah, I'm not judging you at all. And then I like to go in and line my lips just because there's foundation all over. Lust for blush. So that's the makeup part. And I go in and get these baby hairs so I can hide, conceal this big ass forehead, make it look like I got a smaller face, you know? That's just what it is nowadays. Keep it real, but conceal. But keep it real. It's all about timing. It's all about balance. Like I've always wanted to do YouTube, but I was always so self-conscious and so anxious and, you know, just, yeah, all of that. But now it's like, why not? You know? I feel like this is a part of my calling. I feel like I'm supposed to be on YouTube. I'm supposed to do this because once I get the hang of this and really have fun doing this, you know, like I'm gonna help a lot of people and I'm gonna inspire a lot of people because this is just the beginning. Like I have so much to share with you guys, so much. And this is me like opening up. I'm such a private person. Oh, like if I'm comfortable with you, then I'm an open book. The world doesn't know me and the world needs to know me. It's time for me to shine my light. And not just me, there's so many people out there. You. It's time for you to shine your light too. So if you've thought about doing YouTube or whatever it is that is going to help the world vibrate at a higher frequency, now is the time to do it. I'm telling you. If I'm doing this, you can too. We can do this together. Okay. I think I'm gonna add some lashes because this shit ain't cutting it. Excuse me. Just add one of these from Walmart lashes. Can't go wrong with some wispies. I have a homegirl that sells lashes out here in West Texas named Lexis Brown. Shout outs to Lexis. She be hooking it up with these type of lashes. I'm gonna save these for my birthday, which is September 18th. One of the things that I like to do when it comes to lashes, instead of putting the glue onto the lash, I like to, with these type of eyelash glues, I like to put it on my eyelid, you know? like liquid liner and then put the eyelash on.